In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your Gmail account from another device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Gmail app. Make sure you are signed into your Gmail account, and after that, tap right here at your profile picture. And then down below, tap where it says Manage your Google account. You will be taken to your Google account settings, where first off you need to drag this menu until you find Security. And once you get into Security, scroll down until just under your devices. You can easily find Manage all devices. That's where it will show you all of your login sessions on all of your devices, and if you would like to remove your Gmail account from a particular device, first off you need to get into that device settings, and that's where it will show you the type of this device, first sign in information, the exact model of this device. In my case, it is Xiaomi TV. And then to sign out of that device, we just need to tap right here at this button. Once we tap on it, we'll be immediately signed out from the device we selected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.